Push Solutions started in 2012, and we are a complete LED UV printing shop. Our entire operation encompasses 2 facilities, over 40,000 square feet of manufacturing, and we run 3 shifts throughout the entire operation. Everybody that we sell to and our products go out to, they're out selling products to somebody else.
We target ourselves towards a lot of marketing supply chain managers. So they're working with the big box stores, the Fortune 500 companies, and we're basically the power behind them.
We do everything from standard commercial business printing, from brochures and catalogs, but we also do a lot of high-value products as well. Menus that are on synthetic papers, a lot of signage that could be on styrene. We partnered up with Graphco and GEW to come up with a solution to retrofit our existing press coming in. Their engineering and their attention to detail for us was absolutely amazing. The installation process went seamless. We were up in production within 48 hours. Their engineers were on site the entire time, and the fit and finish and their design made it flawless with the press. You wouldn't even know that it didn't come from the factory that way.
Overall, LED, it was the right choice 100%. We were nervous getting into it, but in hindsight, it was a game changer. It changed how we print, how we go to market, the substrates that we're printing on. It just opened up not one door, but 10 different doors. So now we're a 100% UV shop. The workload has changed drastically. We have new products we're selling into new markets, signage, plastics, all sorts of things we never would have even been able to touch. And now it's commonplace for us. LED, it's fantastic. It's a confidence builder, ultimately, for the salesperson out on the street.
It's been great to be able to come back into the office after meeting with a new client and they're up against a tight deadline or they've got a new substrate to test and know that we can do it with LED UV. Our limitations are very minimal.
GEW's 24/7 monitoring really helps us out when we're working our long hours to have an outside set of eyes watching our system. And if there's any problems with it, they'll know before we actually do. And they will contact our people and work on correcting those issues. One of the greatest things that you get when you print LED UV is the environmental impact. No VOCs, no ozone. We also run a lot less powder, which is very healthy for the employees as well. Once we put in the LED UV system, our production increased, but our cost of energy stayed the same. So we've been able to almost add 40% more production with a minimal increase in electricity. Standard UV shops don't get to see that, but as an LED UV printer, it's really a benefit not only to us, our customers, but the environment. A common discussion point with LED UV printing is the cost of inks. We've seen a steady decline in the cost per pound of the ink sets that we've been using. We've seen a lot more people coming into the marketplace, bringing more innovative products to us. But truly, it's the throughput that will make up for the cost of the ink. When it comes to ROI, LED UV printing, in our estimation, will pay for itself in 18 months. An increased throughput, less reruns, and of course, what we like, less power and less energy consumption.
Jobs that used to bill for X amount of dollars printed traditional litho may have taken 20 hours. Now those jobs can be completed in 4 or 5 hours for the same amount of revenue and the same amount of cost of the client. What kind of work do you want? You know?
This is the future of offset printing. It will make it viable for years. Digital has been coming on strong, large format's been coming on strong. LED UV printing for the offset arena makes us relevant, vital, and sustainable.
Projects have gotten bigger, the clients have gotten bigger, we're just cruising, and it's been a really fun ride.
It's probably been the single best decision we made, aside from going out and branching out and starting this company. It's defined us, and if you're not looking at LED UV moving forward, you're making a mistake. It's how the printing industry is gonna go. The traditional litho printer, I believe, will eventually evolve into an LED UV printer, or should evolve into one soon. Go for it. It's going to change your business.